Here's how to make text bigger on TikTok. Now, if you're on the TikTok app and you're having a hard time reading the text, you can always increase the font size. I'll show you how to do it, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, you have one option to do this across your entire iPhone or Android. So you can go into the settings here and tap on accessibility towards the bottom. And now you'll be able to see display and text size. All I need to do is tap on that. And you'll be able to see larger text at the very top. I can tap on it and bump this text up, but keep in mind, this text size will apply across your entire iPhone or Android, your messages, every app. However, a nice thing is, let's bring this back to just the default. A nice thing is that the TikTok app also has the ability to adjust the text size within the app. So on the app, let's tap on profile at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the very top right. From here, you're going to tap on settings and privacy at the bottom. And then now all you're going to do is scroll down and you're looking for accessibility under family pairing. Tap on that. And now you can see text size here. Just tap on that and you can bump this up to as big as you want and tap on the adjust button and then adjust. Now, after you've done that, it will automatically close out of the app, but when you open it back up again, you'll be able to see everything is bigger. All of the text, you can go to your inbox, all of the text size is bigger in this app alone. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.